My grandmother couldn't stand the tiredness any longer until she took this. If you feel tired during the day, lacking energy for daily tasks, if you wake up in a bad mood, unable to do physical activities, then this is the right recipe for you. It is very simple to prepare. Let's start with 2 medium carrots. First, make sure they are well washed. Then peel them with the help of a peeler. In the meantime, I will tell you that my grandmother loves to walk, but lately she was in pain and didn't feel like walking. So she took that drink, she got better, and went back to her daily routine. So let's cut the carrot into slices. My friends, this drink is a great source of vitamins and minerals for the body. Now we are going to put the carrots in the blender and also add 2 glasses of water, and we are going to blend for about 2 minutes. I always leave hugs for someone during the videos, and today's greeting is to Anita Lopez, who looks at us from Mexico, and Ida M. Carr, who looks at us from Goldsboro, USA. Thank you for always watching and enjoying our recipes. After mixing well, we will pass the result to a sieve. Carrots are an ingredient rich in vitamins. It contains calcium, magnesium, and iron, which help lower cholesterol and improve night vision and strengthen bones. The next ingredient we are going to use is the banana. These ingredients act like a friend to our bones. Because they are sources of vitamins and minerals, these nutrients are essential for us to feel ready for everyday life. You will need 2 bananas and cut into slices. Let's mix everything very well until everything is well mixed and very uniform. Now the drink that will eliminate fatigue and pain is ready. I recommend you drink this delicious drink 2 or 3 times a week, so that you always have courage and strength. Consuming this juice will help you a lot. That was our video for today. If you want to continue receiving our videos, write an OK in the comments. Also leave your name and where you are talking from, so I know where the video is coming and for me to leave a hug in the next video. I'll stay here until tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.